Hi guys, welcome back to Glow by Sana. Today I created this very random makeup look for you guys because I was about to do my makeup anyways and I wanted to test out some drugstore products. So I went ahead and I filmed it for you guys. So to get started, I took the Maybelline Urban Cover foundation that you guys already know. It's my new favorite foundations from drugstore. The fact that it has SPF 50 in it just blows my mind. Plus, it has insane coverage. I love this color. It is a bit darker than my skin tone. It's very close to my skin tone, but a little bit on a darker side, which I actually do not mind because I usually use a very light colored concealer that just balances it out completely. So I use a damp beauty blender. Now this foundation has like medium to full coverage. It's not like that cakey full coverage. That's why it is very easy to wear on a daily basis. Contour, I'm using Wet n Wild foundation stick, actually a contour stick in the shade Call Me Maple, and I'm applying it on the contour areas of my face. Now I'm gonna take my favorite concealer of all times, the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. And yes, it is very light. As I told you before, I like my concealer to be very light. And I really should have used the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer since I was using most of the products that were from drugstore, but I just forgot. And I honestly always just grab my Tarte Shape Tape because it's so easy to apply. And I think for me, the wand is everything. I don't know why. I just love the wand. And obviously, the Tarte Shape Tape concealer itself is like I think the number one favorite top concealer of all times. So I'm gonna blend it in, and then I'm gonna bake it a little bit with the Maybelline loose setting powder in the shade Fair. And at this point, the lighting was very off in a sense that sun was like right in front of me, and as you can see, it was too bright and too light. But I was in a rush and I was getting ready to leave, so I was like, you know what? It doesn't matter. On Sigma E38, I took the shade Channel and I applied it on my transition line. These shades are extremely pigmented, so I would pick a little shade and then I would just blend it in, and then I applied it all over my transition line. Then I took the shade Calabasas, and then using Morphe's flat blending brush, I applied it in the outer V's of my eyes. I just basically took it all the way towards my lid, and then I took my favorite shade, What's the Tea, and using Sigma's smudge brush, I applied it on top of my lid. I did not cut my crease. Sure, the shade would have popped more if I had cut my crease, but it's okay. Then I took the shade High Dude on a tapered blending brush, also by Morphe, and I applied it in the outer V's of my eyes, and I just softly blended it in and out and a little bit in my transition line. You will be seeing me using these shades over and over again because I love fall eyeshadows. Then I took the shade Calabasas one more time and I applied it all over my transition area, and I blended all the shades together. Then I applied my favorite liquid liner by NYX in the shade Black. And if you want to watch more tutorials, like detailed tutorials on how to apply eyeliner, there are a lot more videos on my YouTube, so please check that out. After this, the lighting was like really off, so I just quickly went ahead and I finished my eyes with mascara, falsies, and I applied my favorite Hoola bronzer. And then my highlighter was by Becca Champagne Pop. I like this highlighter a lot. It's very subtle. For my lipstick, first I applied the shade Naturally Chic by Milani. I was not a fan of it, so I went ahead and I used Maybelline Super Stay Liquid Lipstick in the shade Driver. And the two shades together actually looked really good. I apologize, the last couple of steps were very much in a rush, but I think I showed you the main makeup in detail in the beginning of this video. I almost did not post this video, but I was like, you know what? It has something to show, so might as well just post it. Then I set my makeup with the setting spray by Aween. It's like a thermal water spray. I did not have time to set up my lights, or I would have finished my makeup in the artificial lights for you guys slowly, step by step, in detail. But you've seen me doing it so many times, so it's okay, right? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this look for you guys. I was heading somewhere and I was about to do my makeup, so I thought might as well just record it and put it up for you guys. Just quickly did this look, and it was supposed to be talked through, but with kids being home, it is almost impossible for me to talk at the same time while I'm recording. I mean, I can, but then you're gonna be hearing a lot of noises in the background. Anyways, thank you so much for all the love and support on my Instagram and on my YouTube. I'm gonna be coming back with a lot more vlogs and videos for you guys, so stay tuned. And if you haven't already, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Click on that thumbs up and that's all you need to do. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys. Bye.